Santa? There could be dire consequences. The possibilities increase exponentially if the closer you go to
Joe. Oh no. Oh no. It's okay. Oh, big yawn. Somebody's tired. Somebody's tired. Hi, Joe. Can you say hi? Are you waving? Oh, time for a nap. It's nap time. It's nap time.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh,
What do they say about Santa?
Santa's little helper.
The answer is in the question. How are we going to do this? My dad thinks you're a toy maker and
Oh. Okay. Merry Christmas, everybody. Bye.